Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. I'm going to go over the top 5 cryptos, in my opinion, for July. Now, I don't really own that many of the cryptos. Well, I own one of them. Um, but these are, in my opinion, 5 cryptos to definitely watch in July. First one, Orion Protocol, ORN. They're basically setting up their kind of gateway, and it's going to accumulate or at least congregate all the major exchanges, and it promises them to essentially not go through KYC AML to trade. Now, I personally don't think the KYC AML thing is actually going to happen. I think they will eventually go KYC AML, but the fact that they can actually do it just once through like a combined gateway instead of doing it over and over again for every major exchange will actually be really, really great. By the way, I don't have Binance on this list because of the recent troubles they've had lately. Now, to be fair, Binance's troubles are not with their spot trading market. They are actually with the derivative stuff, which should be tightly regulated anyways. So I don't think it's terrible to buy BNB, but because of the troubles right now, I don't see it as a top investment. So ORN is the first one. Second one is FTX. That's the exchange with Sam Bankman-Fried. Now, Sam Bankman-Fried's been making a lot of moves. Miami Heat Stadium naming rights, the official exchange of the MLB, and now he actually has Tom Brady as his spokesperson. He's really, really pushing into the sports market. That obviously has tens of millions of fans, so he can actually get FTX a lot of notice. I chose FTX over Solana and Kin because he's directly working on FTX and the FTX coin. And not directly with Solana or Kin, even though they are tied into the FTX ecosystem. So FTX Exchange Coin, you can look for it on CoinMarketCap. That is one to definitely look at. There are a couple of coins with the same symbol. Just make sure it's FTX Exchange Coin. Third one is ADA. I mean, this one's going to stay in here for a while. The price has performed extremely well during this drop. And I do think it's because of the staking coming out for Goguen. Now, I don't really see that dropping off until at least the end of the summer, and it might actually continually pump even harder as we get closer to that date. So ADA is going to probably stay in here for a while, and I think it will fare very well through the rest of the summer. Might even break a new all-time high, even without Bitcoin pumping as we get really, really close to smart contract launch date. Everyone is anticipating that, and a lot of developers have already voiced their support for Cardano at this point. The fourth one is Elrond, actually. They just got a bunch of precious metals minted on their system, and that is a big use case for Elrond. So Elrond is definitely seeing some good activity, and I do think it's going to fare pretty well in price coming summer. It pumped massively at the beginning of this year, but then has been very quiet. They've been making a lot of partnerships, a lot of announcements. There are projects on it. So Elrond could definitely be a dark horse to move up several spots in the rankings. So Elrond is going to be the fourth one. The fifth one is OMI. Yes, OMI's gone up a lot lately, but I think it has a long way to go. You might be looking at the 750 billion supply. That's actually not accurate. For OMI, they burn the amount of OMI equals the value of each NFT you buy. So that supply should actually come down fairly quickly. OMI's high was like 1.2 cents. So they're still quite a ways from that. And I expect them to go above that all-time high by a significant amount when the market actually does recover. They've just revealed recently their licensing deal with Marvel. And that's huge because people were doubting their licensing deals. And if they announce more licensing deals, which I think they will, they should go up quite a lot in price because the Marvel thing really, really pumped them up. Now, we have rumors of Disney and Pokemon. I am not sure if those are real or not, but if they are, they could go like sky high. So OMI would actually be my fifth one. Out of the 5, I only have 88 right now, but I like all 5 of these coins and what potential they actually have. So that is the news for today. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.